video, and today we're going to be opening cars again. The first car we're going to be opening is a Jeep.
From what?
From Jurassic World. Actually, clean. So what I like about this car is like there's like a bumper and it has a wheel on the back like most Jeeps, and lots of Jeep. And that's my favorite colors on it. Go ahead and open yours.
Or yes. What I'm going to be opening is a Porsche 918 Spyder. What I like about it is the number 4 on the hood, and also I also like the bumper and the back tires. Well, both of them and the front tires are same, and also the detail in the front right here, and also the glass right there.
Mm-hmm.
The next car, the last car for me that I'm going to be opening is a Ford Explorer. Did you run it? Got it. Cool. So what I like about this car is that it's green. It says Jurassic Park. It has these little bumps on the top. And the detail inside and the back window. And like the wheels and the bumper thing.
What I'm going to be opening is a 70 Dodge Charger.
I think you got it wrong. The name?
That's
Yeah.
right.
70 Dodge Charger.
Screen Time.
No.
No, that's good.
Oh, that's a series. Say the series.
So what I like about this is that it's high, and they have like kind of mostly like sort of like medium tires, and also I like the extra tire right here and the little tiny sunroof, and the bumper again because it's like metal and stuff, and then the hood and the back and the red wheels.
I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, and subscribe. But if you want to, just comment. Bye. Bye.